Yes, so we have another little passports that came in the mail.
It says, Miss, I want to rip it.
You want to rip it? Okay. Do you have any ideas as to what might be inside this package?
I think that.
You think an airplane? Okay. Well, do you know what these things are right here?
Those are turtles. It's a step. It's a step.
Turtles or steps? Well, it actually says, do you see the letters there? What letters that?
Yeah. That's I.
R.
O. T. T.
C.
C. T.
K.
K. S.
S. Rocks. That spells rocks. So I think we're going to learn something about rocks from opening this package and doing these activities. All right, you want to open it up?
Yeah,
All right, I'll help you get started. You're going to have to rip it. Nope, rip it on this side. Here, rip it. All right, open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Whoa.
So we got everything out.
You got this one. It's a different picture.
Wow, what's in the picture there?
I don't know.
Do you know what those are? What?
I don't know.
What are those?
I see a potato.
What are these?
What?
Rocks, big rocks.
I see a potato. I see a potato.
Yeah, so,
And you can also call these rocks.
these are called pigeon rocks.
I feel something in here. It's over here.
It looks like they're in the Mediterranean Sea. That's pretty cool. Really cool postcard of the rocks.
Whoa. This.
What is that?
Whoa. I see something.
Yeah, it's a type of rock.
What's this?
They have minerals in them. It's a piece of cardboard. What's in there?
Nothing.
Let me see. There's something in there? Is there? Oh, I feel something.
What?
What is it? Cool. There's a rock inside there.
That's it.
Yeah. Cool. So we'll have to maybe look at that rock and try to figure out what the name of that rock is and identify it.
It's
really cool.
that's different.
Yeah. That's cool.
Ah!
And it looks like you have some stickers here.
If I have that one, then that one.
Yeah, some big rocks in Australia and Northern Ireland and different places.
Whoa!
A natural passport book.
Yeah, this is it.
Awesome.
Look this side. Whoa, it shakes. Oh, I saw a potato just now.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, you can toss a cut of this. So I don't know these. Who's that me?
Mm-hmm.
And it was called the masterpiece. Whoa, that was better than I would do. And there's no purple.
Right, you have to match the landform or the rocks to the continents, to the locations.
And that's a small bit skilled. You got to you got to take a walk. Which would does the masses? Does that have an S? Does it have blue?
Cool, very cool.
Let's look at the next page.
And it looks like you've got some cards
And
here
it has
too.
a next page.
And a letter, another letter from Max, Mia, and Toby about rocks, it looks like.
There's no big map.
Well, you already got the big map. Ooh, look, it has a rock layer parfait recipe in there, so you can learn about the layers of the rock by making food.
And you can cut this,
Yes.
that, and you got, and this is stuff.
Yeah, very cool. So it looks like we're going to learn a lot about rocks, which is very cool. Do you know what the three main types of rocks are?
Yeah.
Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. So there's our bunch of different cards.
Do I go get the Yardales?
Little cards on different kinds of rocks. So there are rocks all around the world, aren't they?
Yeah.
Aren't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just tried to. Now I got 2 rocks.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But I don't know what the other one is.
It's in your bedroom. All right. So that's what we received in our last package from Little Passports.
I see a hole in here.
Yes, we'll have to analyze that. It looks shiny and sparkly in there, like it's like little minerals. So that's our last package. This is our last package from Little Passports. We've been doing this all summer long. Have you enjoyed doing your Little Passport activities?
Yeah, but we can have, but I don't have a melody.
Oh, you think so? Well.
And I
We'll
don't
see.
have a yacht maybe, because that says a yacht. You can get a yacht after.
Yeah, so it is fun. We've enjoyed doing this all summer long and opening up our packages and seeing what's inside. I love the surprise element of this. And we appreciate all of you that have been joining us on this Little Passports adventure that we've been on this summer. So thank you for tuning in. If you would like to subscribe and follow any of our other adventures, please go ahead and hit the button right down below. But until then, may the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher among God created you to be. Have a happy day. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.